Hi guys, muli another day, another vlog at Leora Homes na Cavite guys. Meron tayong turnover muli, may natulungan na naman tayo. Thank you Lord for this blessing at for this turnover. Our Southern Homes Realty and my team Morning Sun Group. So let's go guys. So muli guys, isi-shoot natin ang clubhouse ng Leora Homes Naik at ang kanilang covered court at ang kanilang swimming pool guys. So let's go. Playground guys, ayan. Playground din ang kanilang, siyempre kasama natin buddy the Charlie Junior. So ayan guys, shoot na rin natin ang kanilang, ayan siya guys, playground nila. So kagandahan nito guys, kahit umuulan or bumabagyo, pwede kayong maglaro guys, kasi covered court, then may parking siyempre, kasamang parking. So ayan. So next natin yung kanilang clubhouse guys. So let's go. So ito yung pinaka rotonda nila guys. So ayan, andun si Jordi. Doon yung main road guys, doon tayo galing. So ayan, ito yung rotonda nila. Then pagkabi natin ang kanilang clubhouse. So bago yung swimming pool guys. May mga event dito. Alam ko pa owner guys, libre naman yun. Siguro sa mga libre yung event place, clubhouse, kasalan or birthday, any ano yan guys. Ito yung pinaka clubhouse nila guys. Ayan, ang gandang setup pa mga yan. Mega shout sa ating mga ka FBCC team veteran at ka Southern Homes Realty, may Morning Sun team, and may kapadyak niya ka Sounds Industry. Mega shout out kay Sir Albert Pantoliaga, Prulan Audio Cable. Ayan, maganda mag set up dito guys. So ayan, dito ano muna tayo, realty muna tayo, hindi muna tayo sa cycling or audio system na. Ayan, maganda mga kasound nyo, maganda mag set up dito guys. Lawak guys, parang kasing laki rin ng covered court na yan. Ang kagandahan nito guys, complete amenities ang Leora Homes Night guys. Ayan. Ang ganda, di ba? Laki. Ayan. Kahit umulan or ano, no need tent na guys. So ayan, napakalaki. So ayan, next natin is yung kanilang pool guys. Aircon is 4 pieces na may aircon nila guys. So ayan, kaya mataas yung ceiling nila. So ayan, so ang ganda ng garden nila. Ayan. So next natin is ayan, ang kanilang swimming pool guys. Mas ganda. Shoutout din pala may Team Latex. Ayan, Lodi, admin. Ayan, dapat pala sinama kita ngayon para na-experience na yung mga project namin. So kita na lang tayo Friday, Saturday pala sa ating step. So doon yung kanilang main road. Pool guys, ayan, napakaangat, ganda eh. May naliligo, ayan, may shower niya, may mga occasion, birthday, any birthday or picnic or family bonding. Ang kagandahan niya, ang linaw guys. May shower room doon, may ano sila, pinaka small swimming pool guys. Ayan, so ayan, napakaganda guys. Angas, diba? So yan, may pangbata, yan, pambata guys. Yan. Sa aming client, napakalapit nila sa amenities guys. So ayan siya guys, linaw guys. So ayan ang ating for today's vlog. So muli guys, kung naibigay yung ating for today's content or vlog, once again ang inyong The Vlogger Jolly TV at Naik Homes, Leora Homes Naik Cavite. So turnover din, sinabay ko na itong ating shoot dito or matagal na yung shoot ko dito, so para ma-update po kayo siya. So huwag kalimutang i-follow, like and share ang ating Facebook Johnny Gambo at ang ating YT channel, YouTube channel Jelly TV at Leora Homes Cavite. So once again, huwag kalimutang pakihit na rin po, pakipindot ang ating all bell button at notification bell para update po kayo sa aking mga next video. So thank you so much for watching and congratulations sa aming client. So once again, 100% legit po ang ating Southern Homes Realty at ang by Morning Sun and Jelly TV. So thank you so much for watching and God bless everyone.